Shave the eyebrows off.
Oh yeah. Let's get another one. Give him space. Let him talk his game.
My bad.
Probably not pass, man.
Bro, you'll pass.
Oh yeah.
You'll nail it. Heck yeah. So what are you doing with the kids ministry? So I used to out or whatever, and we're just like having a great time.
Yeah. We're actually going ring shopping this weekend.
Was that the play? Was that really the play?
No.
And I don't know nothing about that. Proof.
What?
It's like, bro, do you have a message that you want to share with the world?
Not really.
Okay.
I was gonna say something. Crispy.